Hi, everyone. I've been taking a break from YouTube because YouTube has me so censored and buried. But I just wanted to let everybody know that I live in New Jersey, and yes, we do have drones, but they're not what everybody says it is on the internet. There's so many wild conspiracies. It's crazy. Like our radiation levels are spiking. That is definitely not true. We are perfectly fine here, except for the rain and dreary weather, what that is just passing through this week. But as far as everything else goes, they're airplanes, they're stars. It's very hard to film at night. This is why you have to have a professional camera with the settings correctly, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera, which I will admit I'm not even good at. This is why I don't go outside and record at night except for the infrared, because that's where I catch the spirit orbs. So, yes, New Jersey has a lot of orbs, but they are the spiritual kind. They are the angels. They are your ancestors. And I've said this repeatedly. Again, I'm sorry for my absence. I started writing book 4. I think I might actually be writing 5 books. I don't know yet. This story has taken on it's taken on a whole new life of its own. Anyway, happy holidays, everyone. And remember what I said, when they do appear as UFOs, they cloak immediately, and you'll have a hard time finding out where they go to. They don't want to be seen, but yet they want to be seen all at the same time. It sounds weird, I know. But as far as little green aliens, I'm still the one that's very much on team. These are your ancestors stopping by, and especially at this time of year, of course, your ancestors who have passed on want to pay you a visit to make sure that you're doing well and to send you lots of love from the other side.